I'm Chris, and today we're going to dig out some cars. Let's do this real quick. I don't even know where to start with this. The snow is so compacted down. I don't know where I'm going to put it. It's just a task even to get a little path dug out here, so I have a way to get into the cars. I mean, there's a mound of snow on top of the cars. There's a mound of snow in front of the cars. And I don't know how I'm going to get my sister's car out. Maybe I'll get lucky and all that snow will melt before I get to it. We also have her fiance's car behind it. The only good way I can think of doing this is to get on top and start shoveling. God. This is a little higher than I thought. Ooh, does she have a sunroof? I probably should be careful where I'm walking. Yep, there's the sunroof. Probably inside the car before you know it. Oh, that kind of sucks. There's a little bit. Oh. Well, at least there's no snow on the side. Oh. Oh, or at least we're at the windshield. Oh, shit. I should really get away from this side. I said I should get away from this side. Oh, crap. Oh. Oy. You got your keys? Hopefully it moves a little bit, otherwise I think my camera stopped filming. So I don't know if we got any of us getting out of here. But it wasn't too bad. A little bit of wire mesh helps. I don't even know where I'm gonna go. That's not gonna work. Should have Eric go to Home Depot and buy some of this stuff.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I mean, it may give it just enough to get out.
You might bring it all the way up. What? We are being saved.
It would take hours of work. He's doing it in a matter of minutes. That would have been a whole day worth of work.
You might want to move the camera.
Wow, he's coming that far in.
It's coming all the way in.
All the way in. Drag it back. Well, as you can see, I still can't get out of my driveway. I have a little bit more work to do, and then we'll be free.